ko bi vi zdaj vedeli, koliko se meni roka trese. Hola! Ok, sigurno vas je že veliko od vas videli ta trend, kad je trenutno po YouTubeu trying to follow a make-up tutorial. In sem rekla, da bi se tudi jaz s tem sprobala, tako da evo me, tukaj sem in danes bom tole sprobala. Drugače pa tudi ja, ful sem prehlajena, ful kašlam, los imam čiza basen, robčki so redi, sprej za nos je redi, voda je redi, verjetno je boljši imela čaj, ampak v redu. Tako da ne glede na to bom danes posnela tale video in mislim, da lahko že kar začnemo.
The first thing I'm going to go in with is Kim Tai's Wonder Lush in collaboration with Ofra. Again, this is a tester form.
Ok, ker pač tega nimam in ne moram imeti, ker je tester očitno. Bom jaz uporabljala Bobbi Brown Moisturizer. Ok, tako da Nikki, kaj naslednji korak?
Alright, now for foundation, I'm going to go into a new product. This is by LA Girl.
Ok, žal tega nimam, tako da jaz bom uporabljala kar moj pudor, ki ga ponovno uporabljam. Okay, she's dabbing it on. Delam po drugačen postopek, kaj jaz. Na gubico dajem. Let's try this way. Definitivno drugače kot jaz.
Oh my god, that coverage.
Coverage, ja. Mislim, da bom mogla iti parkrat čez, če bom hotela dobiti neki coverage. Mislim, da še v življenju nikoli nisem imela to pudra na sebi.
For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Creams in L1 and L3.
Toliko svetlo še. Mislim, da tega ne bom imela, tako da bom definitivno mogla uporabiti moje črne Splurmer Drops kapljice. Največja fora, ker še kapljice niso toliko svetle. Malo svetlejši je, no. Ni pa neke ful opazne razlike. Tata fotokorektor si dala še tukaj in tukaj, pa tukaj.
And now I'm going to set my under eye area.
Not yet. Wait.
And now I'm going to set my under eye area to prevent it from creasing.
Okay. Baking. Okay. Let's start.
So before I go in with my powder, just make sure that it's in place and ready to be set with powder. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing, as always, is priming using my Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. I'm now going to go in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and going in first with the color Shy.
Čakaj, nimam pojma, kdaj je naredila obrvi, očitno izven kamere, tako da jih bom jaz tudi.
Blending this into the crease to build our definition and as a transition color for all the depth and darkness that will come in later. And for this look, we're going to go all the way into the inner crease and all the way out.
Aja, nimam pa iste senčke kakor ona, tako da pač uporabljam eno drugo paleto, to je približno ista barva.
Now using the color Bossy, I'm going to deepen and intensify that.
Dala to na drugo stran, da boste vi mene boljše videli.
Now to really cut the crease, we're going to cut the lid by using Pro Longwear Concealer by MAC. And with this, we're going to really clean up the lid, going right up against that crease color to cut it.
Oh my god, je to težko.
And I'm going to set that all using Angelic. Now I'm going to blend and smoke out that crease just a tad bit more using a mix of Bossy and Man Eater. Alright, now I'm going to create a wing using my Tom Ford Eye Defining Pen in Deeper. And filling in using my favorite MAC Liquid Last liner in black.
A se sam meni zdi, je ta wing tako ogromen.
And now from that wing, I'm going to swoop one clean line into the cut crease.
Are you kidding me? Da še bolj zasede. No, to bo fail stoletja.
And now you want to softly buff black above that line to give it a nice blend.
In potem ona to še zabriše. To resno.
For the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with Bossy and just smoking up that outer lower lash line. And then on the inner corner, I'm going back in with Angelic. And as a transition right in between, going in with Henna. Going into this beautiful Morphe highlighting palette and taking the two pink shades to highlight my inner corner. Alright, all we need now to finish off our lashes.
Nekaj sem se še spomnila, ne? Ta uč še treba narediti. Preden dam gor trepke, bom naredila še ta uč izven kamere. Okay, zdaj pa še...
Alright, all we need now to finish off our lashes, and I'm gonna go in with the Anitude Snobby lashes.
Definitivno toliko huge trepalnic nimam.
And for my lower lashes, I'm going to be using the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Okay, so now we're going to go over to contouring. Oh, I'm so obsessed with this powder. This is by Rodial. And I'm just going to sink in those cheekbones with this. So we want to carve those cheeks out to look sculpted. And I'm also doing my jawline with this, and if you don't have a jawline like I do, we are going to create one. Yes, honey, crack my realness. Alright, now for blush, I'm going to go for a nice mix of peach and pink. This is by Sigma. Nothing too crazy because the eyes are like pretty intense. Okay, and then for highlighter, I am really obsessing over those two pinks. That is also applied to the inner corners. So I'm gonna apply those as my cheek highlight. So I put that color down to get the color of the pinkness really going. But then to blind it, I'm gonna go in with the lighter pink one just on the center of my highlight portion to make it just poof. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, for lips, I want to create a really cool glossy.
Hvala Bogu glossy, zato ker imam usta že čisto sušena.
So as the base, I'm going to go in with a beautiful nude.
Okay, mal temnejša barva je kot njena.
And then over top, I'm going to go in with a product that has fascinated me for the longest time. These are lip hybrids. I want to go in with this color right here. It has a pink. It looks like the highlighter that I'm wearing. And make it more metallic with the color Sinclair.
Okay, na ta step sem pozabila. In nič tazga podobnega nimam. Tako da bom čisto nanesla tale gloss. Tak roza zlat. Približno nekaj tazga, kakor je ona na usta nanesla, rečemo. Ok, Zdaj sem si dala še ljubce dol pa uhančke noter. Ok, tako da moji final thoughts oziroma kaj si mislim. Make-up ni spadal top 5, ni pa spet tako perfekten, kakor je njen. Njen je res ono slay girl. Ne vem, ali se meni ne paše, ali pa če sebe nisem navajena. Sem mislila, da ne bo toliko zakompliciran, no. Vse bom to zmogla, vse bom lahko to naredila. In da ni bilo tako easy, kot sem mislila, da bo. Zdaj bom insertala ta Beauty Guru klip, tako da boste lahko videli mene pa njo. No, kaj si misliš, a je podoben make-up? Ni podoben make-up. Tako da, to je bilo tudi vse za ta video. Če ti je bil všeč, ga ne pozabiti lajkati in se naročiti na moj kanal, če še nisi. In se vidimo v mojem naslednjem videu. Čau!